This video is a procedure on how to generate and view a sales receipt. Click Transaction Management on the menu at the top, then click Sales Receipt in order to generate a receipt. Proceed to click Add button. Now, fill in the form displayed, type the buyer PIN, buyer name, and the phone number on respective field boxes. Please note that this is the customer's PIN, name, and respective telephone number. Click the drop-down under Payment Type to select the mode of payment. On Sell Item, click Search button under Item Name to select on the item that you previously registered on the system. On the Quantity field box, type the approximate number of services offered to a client. Details will auto-populate on the other field boxes. Please note the field box labeled Non-Fiscal Data is information that will not be transmitted to KRA, although it is important for both the trader and his client. Click Save button to make a sale. A question, "Do you want to register?" will pop up. Click Yes to proceed. You have successfully made a sale. To view details of the invoice generated, click the hyperlink 1 under Receipt Number. Click Receipt button to download the invoice.